to start learning computer programming. Prépare. Using a langage. Learning the langage. Teaching yourself. Programming is often extraordinarily useful. It allows you to creative and also open up a wide range of new career for you. If you want to learn how to program, read the tutorial below for an explanation of where to go and what to study. Using a langage. As a programming language. Computer programming is done essentially a set of written instructions that compute follow, also known as binary coding. These instructions can be written in a number of different languages, or which are simply different ways of organizing that instruction en text. Different languages tend to be used to create different types of programs, however, so the language that you feel relevant to what you want to do. If you decide that a language does not suit your need, you can always move on to a new language. Consider C, C++, C# and related language. These languages are mainly used for creating standalone computer applications such as games. C and C++ are difficult language to learn for a beginner, but not impossible. Learning them will give you an in-depth understanding of not only programming, most programming languages inherit some concepts or taught from C and C++, but also of how computer work. They are popular and widely used. C#, a language very similar to Java, is starting to become much more common. Consider Java or JavaScript. These are good language to learn if you want to work on making web plugin, JavaScript, or mobile app, Java. These languages are very much in demand right now, so they are handy to know. Keep in mind that Java and JavaScript are completely different languages, despite the similarity in name. Python. Python is a very versatile language used widely across several platforms. Despite being extremely powerful, it is an easy language for a beginner to pick up, so give it a try. Consider PHP. PHP stands for PHP, Hypertext Processor. It is a web programming language and relatively easy to learn due to its typing and popularity. Popularity meant will be several useful tutorials on the language. It is a great language for server-side programming. Don't limit yourself to this language. There are tons of programming language, all with various use. If you want to work a programmer, you will definitely need to know more than one, so learn as many as you can. Your best bet will be to look at for the sort of job you want to get and look for the common language that ask for. Learning the language. Think about going to school. While most companies in a program will care more about your skill than the college you to or your grade, it greatly help to have a college degree 2.2. You will learn more efficiently than if you teach yourself, all while getting expert guidance from your teacher, and maybe your friend. There are often scholarships and grants available to those doing degree in the field. Don't feel intimidated by the price tag of a degree, it is possible. Learn from online university. What you do an online degree with fee an actual degree at or you're attending a free program like Mio Wonderful Coursera, you can learn about programming from the structured course. Try using online tool. Use free service like Google University Consortium or Mozilla Development Network to learn more about programming. The company want more developers to help their platform flourish and their resources can be some of the best on the web. Learn using online tutorial. There are a lot of programmers with websites where they will teach you individual basic, avela a trick. Look up tutorial on the language you want to learn to find. Many free online classes are available to learn coding from. The Khan Academy teach computer coding, with easy tutorial and video. Code Academy is a free site to learn from, with step-by-step tutorial. Start you if you can. There are several programs designed to teach to program. Programs like Me Scratch are very helpful and you are, it will be to pick up, like in language. Avoid kit, at rarely and it is useful. Teaching yourself. Start with a good book or tutorial on programming. Get a good, cure book on the programming language you want to learn. Review on Amazon or similar site will usually help you identify helpful book from unhelpful one. Get en interpréter for ta langage. En interpréter juste à noter computer programme but it will convert you've written in a programming language into machine code so you can set in work. Law of program are available on you will need to use on tie appropriate for you. Read a book. Take examples of the programming language from the book and put them into your interpret. Try changing examples on making the program do different. Try putting to get your own idea to form a working program. Start with a simple thing, like a program to convert currency, and work your way to more complex thing you continue reading and learning about your programming language. Learn a noter language. Once you start actively programming in your first language, you may want to learn a second one. You'll get the most out of learning a second programming language if you pick on to use a radically different paradigm than one you started with. For instance, if you started in Schema, you might try learning C or Java next. If you started in Java, you could learn Perl or Python. Continue programming and trying new things. To bago programme you, at the very least, have to keep up with changing technology. A constant learning process, and you should always be learning new language, new paradigm, and most importantly, programming new thing.